Hello everyone, this is Mo and this is Mo Chat. This is going to be your earthquake info time for October the 2nd, 2016. It is now 2:30 in the afternoon in Chanute, Kansas. How is everybody? Alrighty, let's get on with what's going on here. Okay, first of all, I want to point out a couple of large earthquakes that happened in Argentina. One of them was a 4-pointer, and the other one was a 5-pointer. But the thing about it is, they were very, very deep. 568 kilometers deep on one of them. And then the other one was over 400 kilometers deep. Okay, they're big earthquakes, but they were very deep earthquakes. Okay, I call anything over a 3.5, getting pretty big, okay? So I'm just saying. Okay, also earthquakes that are a little bit concerning. In our ring of fire, up there around that Washington west coast, okay, Seattle. South of Seattle, there has been 2 earthquakes there, 2.9. Okay, less than 15 minutes ago, 2.9. And then 23 minutes ago, a 2.9. That is Mirrormont Washington. It is located north of Mount Rainier, which is also a dormant volcano. There has been a little bit of activity there, but nothing dramatic. Then south of there, we have the Mount St. Helens. Now that volcano did go off, so no one can tell me that it's not possible that it could go off again. With these earthquakes happening around there, it wouldn't surprise me a bit, not one bit. Okay, also we'll point out another earthquake that's happened in the Philippines. That was south of Manila, okay. It's like I have all this information up here, and as soon as I go looking for it, it disappears right when I'm trying to do the broadcast. Isn't that amazing? Okay, in the Philippines, that was north of Manila, okay. That was a 5.7. Balingase, Philippines, 5.7. It was only 10 kilometers deep. Okay, we need to find out if there's a volcano there. Manila. Only 10 kilometers deep. Someone there had to have felt that. That was pretty amazing stuff going on there. 5.7. It looks like it was right on a coastline though. But that is still in our ring of fire, okay? So we keep an eye on it. I am strongly worried about that. Those earthquakes going on Mirrormont, Washington, 2.9 there, only 23.8 kilometers deep. It was just a few minutes ago. Okay, the volcano alerts. I'd really like to know volcano activity. There are many, many active volcanoes in that ring of fire that are erupting, okay? And that is of right now, within the past month, okay? So, now I realize the past month, that's a lot of days, right? But you have to consider something. With everyone talking about climate change, global climate change, where the weather patterns are just crazy. Have you heard about that hurricane coming into Florida? It's going to get hit again. I don't know how much more those people can take. Okay, but these these earthquakes that are just right around all of those volcanoes that were not active but are becoming active. They have warnings up. It shows me pictures of them, and there is like, just on the map that I'm looking at right now at www.volcanodiscovery.com, you can go there and count it off, okay? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I can see 11 right there in the Ring of Fire. Colima is one of them. There are so many of these volcanoes. There's just so many of them. They're huge. And this map that I'm looking at, it covers a lot of areas. A lot of them. But that Ring of Fire is so prominent right there. And they're marked as being active or something going on there. So take a look at these pages that I suggested. Keep an eye out. Oklahoma, I want to mention that you are still having 3-pointers going on. Okay? In the past 24 hours, I have noticed three or four earthquakes in Perry, Pawnee. Another one happened, I believe it was north of Oklahoma City. So just keep an eye out on what's going on there, okay? You felt that big 5 at the beginning of September. Let's not have another one of those. Try to keep an eye out. There's nothing you can do to prevent an earthquake from happening if it's going to happen. But you can be safe and you can prepare in case something was to happen. So do that, okay? Just do that. Trying to make sure I haven't missed anything that I really need to point out. Okay, that Mirrormont has had 3 in the past hour. There you go, right? Almost a size 3, 2.9ers, 3 in the past hour. I really want to keep an eye on that area. I'm going to look up the news reports on there. 2.94. I've had another one there. Another one. Mirrormont. That just keeps popping up. I don't know if that's just a repeat or what. It looks like a swarm going off in Mirrormont according to the mappings. According to the analytics, the logistics of the location, seems like more than one is happening there. So I'm going to take a look at more going on in Washington on the West Coast. I'm also going to keep an eye on Argentina with those 2 large earthquakes going on down there. And the West Coast Chile, okay? Let's keep an eye on that. Don't forget the one happened in Philippines. That was a big one too, and it was very shallow. Alright? Keep an eye on it. Come back. I'll talk to you later. Bye.